Hi everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a modern Eid Mubarak poster design in Adobe Photoshop. The document size is 1080 by 1350. Go to Adjustments and add a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Select the rectangle tool and draw a long bar rectangle. Add color according to your design needs. Now go to the File menu, select Place Embedded, choose your image, and click the Place button. Go to the Object Selection tool and click on the subject to create the selection. Add a layer mask to it. Select the mask, go to the Brush tool, use these settings. And apply it at the bottom to blend it smoothly. Now select the rectangle layer and add a layer mask to it. Select the gradient tool, use these settings. And apply it. Now place the other images. The link to these assets is mentioned in the description of this video. Press Ctrl+L for levels. Follow the settings. Press Ctrl+J to create a layer via copy. Press Ctrl+T, right-click, and choose Flip Horizontal. Select the Type tool and type or paste your text. Follow my text settings. Finally, add a solid color adjustment layer. Change its blend mode to hue. And you can change the color with just one click. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.